Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And there's two ways to look at this chart. First is the very near term, and within the very near term, on Thursday, there is a very, very impressive movement upwards. So the big question going into today was, hey, wow, is this the start of something bigger? Is there finally going to be a breakout? Is there some true power behind this movement? And we got our answer, no, there wasn't. That was just totally a dead cat bounce, a fake move. What gives me the right to call it a fake move? Well, let's just use a little common sense and logic. Price movements with true power are going to make progress forward, right? They're not going to go back to where they were. And that's exactly what happened here. I mean, the big move started right here when it broke out. Went up there today, and then you look at right where it closed, which is literally right back to where it started. Now, does that mean that the entire chart is destroyed? Absolutely not. So to illustrate that, you can see that big picture-wise, the overall trend is still up, right? This whole consolidation is happening at a higher level. So it's not like because, the movement that happened today, that doesn't ruin the entire chart. That's fine. So that's what I mean by there's two ways to look at this. The very near term, unfortunately, yeah, that great movement from Thursday, that was just a dead cat move. There was no sort of genuine strength behind it. However, because the price is still up above that 33-cent mark, which I've talked about time and time again in past videos, the overall chart is still fine. So, there's always a couple different frames of reference. Now, of course, if you are some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well then, yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks absolutely terrible for you. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, everything is still perfectly fine. So we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.